Assalamu alaikum. Dear audience, today is the second part of my online class. This is Muhammad Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher, Ideal Residential Model School, Chirir Bandar, Dinajpur. At previous day, I have already discussed about transformation of sentence and its 4 rules. One is only or alone indicates Allah, God or person. Instead of only or alone, you can use none but. Only and alone indicates number, you can use not more than or not less than. Only or alone indicates objects, you can use nothing but. And the last one was must. Instead of must, you can use cannot but or cannot help. Now I will discuss about today's topics. It is affirmative to negative, rules 5. In affirmative sentence, where there is both and or only and, instead of both and or and, you can use not only but also. For example, both Rakif and Rana, we are good friends. Look at the audience, both Rakif and Rana, here both and. Turn into negative, instead of both, you can use not only. And instead of and, you can use but also here. So the negative of this affirmative sentence, not only Rakif but also Rana, we are good friends. Do you understand? Okay, thanks. Next rule, rule number 6. Every plus noun. In affirmative sentence, where there is every plus noun, turn into negative. Instead of every, you can use there is no ... but or there is no ... who does not, or no ... affirmative of opposite word. For example, in affirmative sentence, every father loves his child. Here every plus noun, here father is noun. So instead of every, you can use there is no, then noun father, after that but. So the negative of this sentence, there is no father but loves his child. Do you understand, or do you follow me, students? Okay. The next rules from affirmative to negative, rule number 7. In affirmative sentence, where there is as soon as. In affirmative sentence, where there is as soon as, instead of as soon as, to turn into negative, you can use no sooner had. You know that after have, has or had, the main verb will be changed into verb of past participle or verb 3. Then. So the example of this affirmative sentence, as soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. The negative of this sentence, as soon as, instead of as soon as, no sooner had. Instead of as soon as, no sooner had, then subject, affirmative sentence of subject, the thief. Then main verb, here main verb saw, and here its verb 1 see. You know that the changing of verb, see, saw, seen. Do you follow me? Do you follow me, students? Here, as soon as instead of no sooner had, then the subject of affirmative sentence, the thief, then the verb saw, it's the past form and its past participle seen. Here you can see the seen. Then the object, and instead of comma you can use then. Do you follow me? Okay, thank you. Next, no sooner had the thief seen the police, he ran away. Okay, next, rule number 8, 2.2 in affirmative sentence where there is, in affirmative sentence where there is 2 instead of 2 turn into negative, so that plus subject plus cannot or could not according to tense. If the sentence takes present or simple present tense, you can take cannot. If the sentence take past tense or simple past tense, then you can take could not. So, for example, he is too weak to walk fast. He is too weak to walk fast. So, the negative of this sentence, he is so instead of 2, instead of 2. Instead of 2, here you use so, then the object of this sentence. He is too weak to walk fast. He is so weak. Then that, after the subject, that he cannot walk fast. Here you see that cannot. Here is the first part of this sentence. Here is, it is the simple present tense. So you can use here cannot. Okay. Next, rule 9, s in affirmative sentence where there is s, instead of s to make it negative, you can use not less then, not less then. In affirmative sentence, for example, he is s-wise s-u, he is s-wise s-u, here as or as. So the example or the rules s. Do you find it? Okay. He is s-wise s-u. He is s-wise s-u. The negative of this sentence, he is not less. He is not less wise than you. Okay. After that, rule number 10. Sometimes in affirmative sentence where there is sometimes, to make it negative, instead of sometimes you can use negative plus always. For example, my friend sometimes visits me. So the negative of this sentence, my friend, here visits present indefinite. From these rules or from this structure, I already told you that negative plus always. So the negative of this sentence, my friend, instead of sometimes, negative, does not, because the main verb take as, so it indicates present indefinite. So here, my friend, third person singular number, then it negative does not, and sometimes opposite of always, instead of always, then visit me. My friend does not always visit me. It is the negative of these rules. Okay. After that, rule number 11, many. In affirmative sentence where there is many, instead of many, to turn into negative, you can use not a few. In affirmative sentence where there is a few, to make it negative, you can use not many, not many. This rules is related, this rules is related both of these sides. So from your remembrance I have given you these rules. There are many trees. For example, there are many trees in our school ground. There are many trees in our school ground. Negative, there are not a few, not a few, many indicates not a few or a few, not a few, not a few. So instead of many, you can use not a few to the negative sentence. So the negative of this sentence, there are not a few trees in our school ground. Next, I have a few friends, a few. A few. Look at the rules, a few. A few, instead of a few, you can use here not many. So the negative of this sentence, I have not many friends. তোমরা মনে হয় বুঝতে পারোনি, আমার মনে হচ্ছে। হ্যাঁ করে তাকিয়ে রয়েছো, না তাকানো যাবে না, না বুঝলে বলতে হবে। অবশ্যই তোমরা আমার ফেসবুকের কমেন্ট বক্সে অবশ্যই কমেন্ট করে জানিয়ে দিবে। In fine, the last rules of today's rule number 12, a little, a little. In affirmative sentence where there is a little, instead of a little, you can use not much. In affirmative sentence where there is much, to make it negative, instead of much, you can use not a little. For example, I have a little money. I have a little money. A little here. A little. Instead of a little, you can use not much. You can use not much. For example, I have a little money. Instead of a little, not much here. So the affirmative of this sentence, I have a little money. The negative of this sentence, I have not much money. I have not much money. Then he has much money. He has much money. The negative of this sentence, here much, much. Instead of much, you can use not a little, not a little, not a little. Instead of much, to make it negative, you can use not a little. So the negative of this sentence, he has not a little money. Do you understand? Okay, thanks for today and thank you for staying with us.